The quality you expect. The product performance you demand. A new benchmark for comfort unlike any other on the market today. Introducing AlphaTec chemical gloves with aqua-dry moisture management technology. Less sweat, greater comfort, higher performance. Improved moisture control has been identified as one of the top areas in need of improvement. To address this need, Ansell's innovation team focused on developing new technologies and materials. What they developed is a unique dual-layer inner lining that consists of an open-celled foam layer covered by a layer of flocked cotton fibers. The two layers are combined in a proprietary method which allows them to work together to absorb water more efficiently. Aqua-Dry, on average, is up to 10 times more absorbent than cotton flock gloves. The Aqua-Dry technology utilizes biomimetrics to emulate the moisture management abilities of the human skin. The open foam cells mimic the open pores of the skin for excellent absorption. To demonstrate the effectiveness of the Aqua-Dry technology, we have set up the following test between a glove with the Aqua-Dry lining and a cotton flock nitrile glove. From each glove, we have cut a sample of material to expose its inner surface. Using an eyedropper, an application of approximately 2 milliliters of colored saline solution is applied to a cotton flock nitrile glove to simulate moisture from sweat. Next, we will apply the same amount of saline solution to the Aqua-Dry glove. Notice how quickly the initial drops of liquid are absorbed into the Aqua-Dry material. This is occurring in real time. The remaining 2 milliliters of saline solution is then applied to the inner surface of the Aqua-Dry glove. We then pour the liquid from the surface of the nitrile glove into a petri dish, with about 1.25 milliliters of fluid being recovered. This step is repeated with the Aqua-Dry glove, and as you can see here, no fluid has been recovered. The results of this test, repeated several times, have clearly demonstrated Aqua-Dry's ability to quickly and efficiently absorb and manage the liquid. Through the use of biomimetrics, the Aqua-Dry material improves the wearer's comfort by reducing friction between the glove and the wearer's skin. The same biomimetrics facilitate the rapid and efficient transfer of perspiration from the wearer's skin to the Aqua-Dry material. This allows the user to wear the gloves for extended periods of time, without the need to replace gloves due to the discomfort that arises from perspiration. Reduce costs by reducing the number of gloves replaced in a workday. Increase efficiency by reducing the downtime due to doffing, drying of hands and donning of new gloves. And improve performance with the unrivaled comfort of AlphaTec Aqua-Dry chemical gloves from Ansell. Less sweat, greater comfort, higher performance.